sklearn metrics mean squared log error. Description: explain in detail the mean squared logarithmic error. MSLE is a regression metric that measures the difference between the logarithms of predicted and actual values. It is particularly useful for tasks where the target variable has a wide range of values and is exponentially distributed. Inputs. Input 1: explain in detail why true the ground truth correct target values. Input 2: explain in detail why PRED the predicted values. Outputs. Output 1: explain in detail a non-negative floating point value representing the MSLE. Output 2: explain in detail the lower the MSLE value, the better the model's performance. Steps. Step 1: explain in detail the MSLE is calculated by taking the square of the difference between the logarithms of the predicted and actual values. Step 2: explain in detail this difference is then averaged across all data points. Metrics. Metric 1: explain in detail mean squared logarithmic error. MSLE is a metric used to evaluate the performance of regression models. Metric 2: explain in detail the lower the MSLE, the better the model's performance. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1: explain in detail the MSLE can be visualized using a scatter plot with the predicted values on the x-axis and the actual values on the y-axis. Visualization plot 2: explain in detail a logarithmic scale can be used for both axes to better visualize the relationship between the predicted and actual values. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1: explain in detail the choice of model and its hyperparameters can significantly impact the MSLE. Parameter 2: explain in detail feature engineering and data preprocessing techniques can also influence the MSLE. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1: explain in detail confidence intervals can be used to quantify the uncertainty in the predicted values. Uncertainty method 2: explain in detail bootstrapping techniques can be used to estimate the variability of the MSLE. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: explain in detail the MSLE can be sensitive to outliers. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if there are a few data points with very large actual values, the MSLE can be heavily influenced by these outliers. Fixes to challenge 1: outliers can be removed or replaced with more reasonable values. Challenge 2: explain in detail the MSLE can be difficult to interpret. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: it can be challenging to understand the significance of a specific MSLE value. Fixes to challenge 2: the MSLE can be compared to the MSLE of other models or to a baseline model.